this video, I'm going to be discussing the section set 31. Here, the bill book system is used to keep information on the bills of the shoe store called Aralia Shoe Center. And this method is used for a long time, but using this method will embarrass the shop owner and the employees. So the accountant working in the shop pointed out to the shop owner the disadvantages of the bill book system, and the disadvantages pointed out were the loss of bill books, damage to bill books, and the need for separate space for storing the bill books. Because of these factors, the store owner realizes that the bill book system is difficult to use and decides to use computer software. And the software was developed by AI Soft, a software development company. You work as this software you work as a senior software engineer at this company, and you and your team are tasked with creating the database of the software. Create the required ER diagram for that. To do this, follow the instructions below. Name the database as Aralia Shoe Center. Here we should first create a database called Aralia Shoe Center. And let's go to the first section. Here we should create these tables. This section is all about creating the tables. We should create our user table, gender table, and the user type table, system login table, address table, and the city table. Let's create these tables and the database now. We're going to create the database first here. It's Aralia Shoe Center. And let's go to our ER diagram now. First, I'm going to create our user table here. And here, the primary key is user ID. And it's auto increment. And the first name. Data type is browser and the length is 45. Same goes with the last name. Then the contact number. Here the data type is varchar, but the length is 10. And the status. It's an int. Created our user table. And then let's create our next table, which is gender. Gender ID is the primary key here. And the length here is we created two tables now. Let's create our next table, which is user type. Here, user type ID is the primary key. And we have another column here. It's user type name. And it's version 45. Create our next table, which is system login. Here, login ID is the primary key and it is auto implemented. And the username is data type is varchar, and here we give 20 length. and the password is yeah 45 characters. Another table, and it is the address table. Here the address ID is the primary key, and we have the number here. You see, it is a voucher and street one and the street two. And let's create our last table, which is the city table. City ID is the primary key here, and there's another column, which is city name, and so on. We have now created all our tables, and I have completed my section set 31 now. Thank you.